Okay. So, anyone ate downtown at all at the restaurant? A lot of people. Okay. Cuginos is the pizzeria down there. Okay.
Alright, so this project actually spanned over two courses, two actual courses. 405 is a project management class where students learn to develop projects in a set time span. Where at the end of the class we have a actual set project that you're going to do, whether it be starting a business, renting out a building, trying to complete an objective is what the project is. And then C20 is programming for the web. Programming for the web is learning, well, we'll backtrack on that. I think CITA 275 is programming on, it's like advanced HTML. It's programming on the front end. We learn the back end of programming, programming for the web. We learn how to deal with CITA and have actual live websites for that.
So, what we did is during CITA 405, which is project management, like you said, we decided to do our project on creating a website for Cuginos Pizzeria because we're really good friends with Brian Van Der Merwe, who's one of the our professors here. And we thought it would be great. I'm going to stand over here because his leg's closed. But we thought it would be great to create a website for him because he doesn't have one. And a lot of people eat there. Tons of people actually in this town. This is only two or three pizzerias. So we thought it would be great for people that are looking for their menu to go online and, hey, this is what it is. And 420 we actually took in a next to 405. And in that class we had to create a website, so we decided to actually create the website, and that's how this all came together. So this is what the website looks like. Actually, just to jump ahead, if anybody has their mobile phones on them, if you would pull them out, you can actually get right on the website. It's called DelhiPizzaGuy.com. And just go ahead and pull that up.
One of the reasons and the purpose for this website is we're moving into a digital age where everyone is checking all their resources on the internet and kind of learn about, hey, Cuginos open? And it's like, well, we'll check Facebook page. Well, what if you had another page to go to instead of checking the Facebook page?
Yeah.
Be hardwired into the internet. Thank Jim.
And during CITA 420, the three of us were the supervisors of that class. We had like 8 other kids working on it next to us. Where's that? So Jose, he graduated, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Jose was in charge of graphics. We had our own graphics guy. Esai Cody and I took care of all the programming. Alex, he was a golf major. He was in charge of uploading all the photos and tailoring all the photos for the website. And Brian actually sent us, well, the owner sent us all these photos of his food. And if you hover over them, each one's a category kind of thing. Austin Vosberg, he graduated. He took care of the design. Like, he was the one that yelled at us if we had bad colors or poor quality pictures. He was a great kid. And everyone else was in charge of proofreading and gathering information from Cuginos.
And proofreading on the front end and also on back end, making sure the site navigated correctly, making sure none of the links were broken, making sure that Cody, Ian, and myself had not messed anything up and redirected someone to a not working.
When we created this page, we had the ability to be able to actually order online, but we took that away because it's kind of complicated.
Yeah, he doesn't have the technology at his restaurant right now for us to support online ordering. But with this system that we have running on our web space, there is the functionality to actually put in online ordering. So, and this wasn't free. We had to pay for a lot of the background stuff. We had to pay for web hosting, obviously. But it was a great learning opportunity for us just to be able to do this for a small business. And we have actually, there's a lot of people that use them. I work with a few people that every day, well not every day, every week, go onto their website. And we actually just asked yesterday So he puts the meta tags because they couldn't find it on Google. So we went through and added a bunch of meta tags so the crawler would grab them, and when the user Googles Delhi Pizza New York or whatever, something like that, it will grab this website. So people use it a lot here, and we're actually pretty proud of it. We've been adding a bunch of stuff to it every couple of months. What was that?
Do you maintain it for him?
We do maintain it. Sai has been doing that a lot.
This is the back office, so to speak. This is the admin page where we're going through the process of helping Brian and educating him and training him on how to do this himself. So eventually he'll have the eventually he'll have the skills to be able to upload items, take items that are no longer continued down, change the look, change colors, maybe we can like our taste. You can change that also, and this is just a show of the background of what you have to go through.
And we are training him on how to do all this. And it's really not that hard. You go in here and pick a category. If he wants to add new items, you know, add new, and then you put it in a certain category, how much it costs, or something like that. It's really a great website. We enjoy making it.
Even before it was actually published out that, that it was available, I know that I used it, like driving home from Albany one day, and I'm like, oh, you know what, I'm not cooking. So I was able to, to stop in Cobleskill and order, so that by the time I got here to Delhi, it was ready, which was really nice.
Yeah, it's great to see people use it, because it's something that we created.
And they made sure that it is mobilized for cell phones.
Yeah.
So it is cell phone friendly.
If you try to access it on your mobile device, you'll be able to see it right there. I wish we had a presentation, document to show you, but it actually is a good review. And the reason why is sometimes you don't have a computer where you can just look up for it, and it can be kind of a lot to load on your cell phone, so a mobile version of it is good.
Do they take orders besides telephone? Can you text or email the orders, or they just?
He hasn't informed us of any other ordering systems yet. I mean, I'm sure if we shot the idea, then we'd be more than willing.
They actually built that functionality into the system.
Yeah.
But when we talked to him, he didn't want to do it right then. And Alex, our golf guy, because I always refer to him as golf guys, he actually came up with the idea of Brian putting tablets at the tables, and people can order directly from their table. That functionality is also built in. We just have it off until he tells us he's ready to go with it.
So how would that work? Would you click on the picture, or would you have to type it?
We have a different interface for the tablet, specifically because you'd be right there, but that's something we can set up, and it's already able to be received and turned on this. So we just have to develop a UI for his tablet device, and then you're ready to go.
I don't know if this way, it's rendering on my phone, but I don't find a phone number on here.
On the bottom of it.
I was to the bottom. There you go.
It's a different view on mobile.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, with the view I got, I don't see a phone number or address.
Yeah, it's showing on the bottom of Shannon's. What cell phone do you use?
Oh, God.
Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, I'm just thinking it might just be right on the page there. Okay.
Thank you.
The bar right at the top, that'd be a good place where I go right in, so it's permanently viewers.
We're always happy to accept feedback.
Yeah.
Any last questions?
Did he have to approve this, and did you work with him, or did he just give you the pictures and say you go at it?
Pretty much, he gave us the pictures and he gave us the money. So, and he said, I mean, he wasn't too picky. He said us, yeah, it was great, actually. He already had all the pictures for some reason, I don't know why, but he had hundreds of photos that we just added on there. And before we made it live, before we put it on the internet, he had to approve everything and make sure, like his name wasn't really on there or stuff like that.
So what would I find if I did Village Pizza? Would I find a comparable thing, or?
A village? I don't know.
The other one in town. That's
Yeah,
why I'm asking.
I don't think they have a website.
No one knows about that.
But that would be good. I don't even know the owner over there.
No, I'm just wondering if it's common, or if this gives him competitive.
Oh, it definitely does. I would,
search for
for sure.
Pizza, what do you get?
For Delhi Pizza, we put the metas on yesterday, I don't know if you're calling it or not.
We took a look on the website yesterday, actually.
You did?
We got into some pizza in there. It was just too late to close.
Actually, Delhi New York Pizza, first thing that comes up now is Cuginos.
Never mind, and the opposite.
Yeah, no India.
He was there.
If you just write down, there's still a pizza.
There's Cuginos right on top. We have to.
Right.
Yeah. Are there any additional questions or? Okay, thank you very much.